Hi, this is Rick Pedley, and welcome back to PK Safety Supply. Today we're going to talk about the RAE Systems MultiRAE Plus PGM-50 complete kit. This is sometimes called a confined space kit, and what we're going to look at today is what comes in the kit. That is, you get this nice hard shell case and all the stuff in here. We're going to take it over to the table and we're going to go through what it is that comes in the box. Okay, so this is the MultiRAE Plus PGM-50 that's coming in the complete kit, or confined space kit. So what you get in the case first is the RAE case, got their name on it. It comes with pre-cut foam that holds everything you need. I'll go through each item, but briefly, we're going to have 2 cylinders of calibration gas, the MultiRAE unit, charger, and all the accessories that you're going to need to go straight away. So, first, of course, is the MultiRAE itself. This is a 5-gas instrument, 4 toxic, oxygen, combustible, H2S, carbon monoxide, and a PID, or photoionization detector, for detecting volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. This unit is contained inside of a rubber boot. This rubber boot is pretty thick, it's bright so you can see it. The display is on the side. We have the power and data ports on it, and then where the air or air sample is going to come in. So I'll show you what it's like when we take off the cover. This cover has a belt clip right here, so you can take it off for cleaning or whatever you want to do if it gets dirty. The unit itself, black material. It's got a display on the front showing your various sensors and the mode button and increment, decrement, yes, no buttons. We'll get into how this thing actually works in a minute, but right now what we're going to concentrate on is what do you get when you buy it. So obviously you get the unit itself. Next you get the AC battery charger. This is going to allow you to plug into any outlet 120 to 240 volts. Now this is typical. I've seen them come with different ones. Lately they're putting in ones that have international European plugs. I just didn't happen to have one in this particular kit that had come through. Alkaline battery adapter. So if the rechargeable lithium-ion battery should become discharged and you still need to use the unit, we have here a alkaline battery adapter that's going to allow you to keep going. Next item in the unit is going to be the toolkit. This toolkit comes with screwdrivers and so forth, allow you to pull out the PID bulb. We'll do that later. We'll actually use this toolkit and take this thing apart. We have the calibration adapter. This is going to allow us to hook up to our calibration gases in a little bit. We'll go through that. Later in a video, perhaps following this one, we're going to actually calibrate this unit. It's very simple. Inlet probe. We do have a hard probe on the end of a coiled adapter, but if you just wanted to use the unit right along with it, this allows you to hook on a filter, such as this one, in line with the unit. Keeps the schmutz out of the unit. This cable, which is going to be for data logging, allowing you to download stuff to your computer. Now for calibrating, we have 2 cylinders of calibration gas. The first one is a so-called quad mix, 4 gases. It's going to have your hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, methane, and oxygen, all contained in a nitrogen balanced cylinder. This is an aluminum 34-liter cylinder and uses a regulator like this one. Notice it has male threads for a female threaded cylinder. Next we have the isobutylene. There's 100 parts per million of isobutylene. It's kind of an innocuous gas, but it's the standard gas for calibrating photoionization detector, or PID. We have a regulator for that one. Notice this has male threads on the cylinder, female on the regulator, goes right on there. We have gauges, show you how much is in the cylinder, and on-off knobs so you can turn the thing on or off, as the name implies. So that was the stuff in the bottom of the case. Now the top of the case. This is held together with Velcro straps, holds this thing together, and you drop down this neck thing. What you get here. Okay, as we mentioned earlier, the sample draw probe. It's an aluminum probe, it's non-sparking. Has a little connector on the end of it. You're going to connect your your tube to it. Now this tubing is special. Something you might want to notice is it's Teflon tubing. If you're using a PID, you don't want to use Tygon, which is the most common clear plastic tubing. It absorbs volatile organic compounds and so will throw off your readings. So we use Teflon. Now this hard plastic thing has a stretchy deal here. It's going to go right onto the unit just like that. This is called a lure fitting, and it's just, you know, easy as can be. Next item we've got is going to be the warranty card, the owner's manual, right? That's the hard copy of the owner's manual. And then the rest is going to be basic data type stuff. But the MultiRAE Plus training CD. And this CD is going to take you all the way through how to use the unit. It's very useful. The ProRAE suite. Now what this is our data logging in the unit. It's going to do event recording within the unit, and it's going to there's quite a few things you can do with it. But the idea is this is going to your Windows-based machine and allow you to connect this unit to your machine and download all the things that it's seen. So the idea is you might be able to put together an Excel spreadsheet of highs and lows. It also has a graphing function which can show you the levels of concentration of all 5 sensors over time. This can be very useful in looking at a couple different things. What are your workers exposed to, but also are they using the unit properly? And lastly, complete application and technical notes guide. So this is going to have all the correction factors and all the various technical notes that are available for the MultiRAE right here. Now these are available on the raesystems.com website, but here you've got them all in one place. Don't have to look any further. So when you order the complete kit, that's what you get. This is what's in the box, and we'll go into a little bit further as to how each of these things comes into play. Thanks a lot for coming to PK Safety Supply.